Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so you can go there and I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that's where the orange and red line annotations are coming from. And, as a quick recap from what I talked about on Thursday, I made the observation that, hey, it actually broke above that trend line the last 30 minutes. Was that the start of something bigger? And yeah, indeed it was. Nice follow through today. Although the final 30 minutes here, somewhat of a buzzkill. Now, it's not like it destroyed the chart or anything like that, but I mean, a big spike in volume, actually the biggest volume all day long, and you had a bit of a pullback. So again, does that totally destroy everything? No, it doesn't, but it kind of puts a little damper on today, because had the price closed, up here above the 650-ish area, that would have made the chart look that would just change the landscape a whole lot more. But like I said, nonetheless, rough final 30 minutes, but didn't destroy anything. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line. It served its purpose. But as far as one of the first updates that need to be done, that comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 635 was that level of resistance coming into today. And, this is the level that you would want to see act as support. And so far, so good. So during the final 30 minutes, during the craziness, sure, the price did drop below there temporarily, but that didn't last very long. And the price, snapped back up there. So 635 is what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, if you're to ask, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 635. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong, if the price were to fall below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, that would definitely be an ideal situation going forward for the price to stay above there. But from the grand scheme of it all, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 635 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward. It's all about that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200-period moving average, and that is currently valued right there at $6.91. So keep an eye on that going forward. But overall, very, very nice week. To think that just a few days ago, the price was all the way down here below 4. Now it's all the way up above 6. Definitely a great week, so let's see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.